Hey guys, welcome to Living in New Hampshire. My name's Cody and I'm a local real estate agent with eXp. In today's video, we're going to cover the highest paying jobs in New Hampshire outside of healthcare. Number 7 is sales manager. This could range from a retail sales manager to a field sales rep who spends most of their time on the road. Depending on the company you work for, salaries can range drastically, especially if you're working solely on commission versus being paid a guaranteed amount. In New Hampshire, you can expect most entry-level sales jobs to start around $35,000 to $40,000 per year, with potential to make well over six figures depending on the industry. Considering New Hampshire offers a variety of retailers, in addition to remote work becoming increasingly popular, this allows you to be more flexible when choosing an area to live. Number 6 is finance manager. Similar to sales associates, being in finance allows you to work in a number of fields, from automotive to manufacturing. Most of these positions will likely want to see some level of advanced education or experience in that particular industry. It's generally more common for employers to offer in-house positions. However, with the major changes that took place in 2020, it's increasing the opportunity for remote work. The salaries can vary quite a bit depending on the company you work for. In general, an entry-level finance manager can expect around $50,000 per year, with more experienced applicants breaking into the six-figure range. Similar to most sales jobs, the opportunity for work throughout New Hampshire is relatively good. Being closer to the larger cities such as Manchester or Boston will definitely increase your chances of landing a high-paying role. Number 5 is marketing managers. It's no surprise that marketing is one of the most popular college degrees for millennials, considering all the job opportunities. The amount of potential employers is endless, ranging from universities to large consumer-focused companies. While it's common for most employers to require a 4-year college degree, it's possible to find some entry-level positions with more flexibility, especially if you have prior experience. Salaries can range depending on the company you work for, but in general, most entry-level positions will start around $45,000 to $60,000 per year. With close proximity to the city being a big factor in the amount of opportunities and income you can expect. Number 4 is computer and information systems manager. IT jobs are increasingly growing in demand with the shift to online businesses becoming more popular. This industry has created so many new jobs that just a decade ago didn't exist. A major benefit to this area of work is the fact that most employers don't require a 4-year college degree. This is great for individuals looking to increase their income without going back to school. Most companies will require some level of experience, which can be self-taught or learned through online courses. Most entry-level positions in New Hampshire will start around $50,000 per year, with some remote opportunities being available. Number 3 is engineers. This is another field with an unlimited amount of potential. With 5 main types of engineers, from industrial to aerospace engineers, it gives you the ability to earn a degree in an area you're passionate about. While a minimum of a 4-year specialized degree will be required by employers, the financial upside to this profession is very enticing to many. With most entry-level positions in New Hampshire starting around $100,000 per year and upwards. Number 2 is lawyers. While being an attorney can be a stressful job, it has many pros that go along with it. The obvious one being the financial rewards. Going to school for 7 years after graduating high school is definitely not for everyone. But for those who choose this path, New Hampshire offers many opportunities in a variety of fields. Most entry-level attorneys can expect to make at least $50,000 per year, with many making well over six figures. Living in or around the larger cities will greatly increase your chances of securing a lucrative role. However, being in a more rural area could help you establish your credibility as the go-to lawyer in the area. And number 1 is CEO. While the idea of being a CEO for a large company like Amazon or Apple sounds like a crazy idea, being a CEO can also be the husband and wife that owns a small local coffee shop. Considering New Hampshire is one of the best tax climates in the country for both residents and businesses. Not to mention the community support for small local businesses is amazing, making New Hampshire a great place for entrepreneurs looking to establish their company. While the amount of time and commitment it takes to start a business is not for everybody, The sacrifice it takes will pay off in the long run when you're able to reflect on the journey and reap the rewards of being a business owner. And one of the biggest pros is that there's no financial cap. It all comes down to how much work and effort you put into it. That wraps up the video, guys, of the highest paying jobs in New Hampshire outside of the healthcare industry. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. It really helps to grow the channel. And as always, if you're thinking about moving to New Hampshire, feel free to reach out. I'll leave my contact info in the description below. Thanks for watching.